Today we will discuss double fertilization. In short, double fertilization means fusion of two male gametes with two female gametes, and this is the process which is a characteristic of flowering plants. It occurs in flowering plants, which are also called angiosperms. The flowering plants have a peculiar characteristic that is called double fertilization, in which two sperms of male flowering plant combine or fuse with two gametes of female flowering plant. These two male gametes are two sperms. In the double fertilization, two sperms have to combine with one egg and two polar nuclei which are present inside the central cell of the embryo sac or megametophyte or female gametophyte. Inside the female flowering plant, which is also called female gametophyte or megagametophyte, there is a cell which is called central cell. Inside this central cell there are two nuclei which are called polar nuclei. All these structures are haploid. These two sperms, one egg and two polar nuclei are haploid. One sperm combines with this one egg and the second sperm combines with these two polar nuclei, which both are haploid. By the fusion of this one sperm with the egg, zygote is produced, and zygote is the future plant. And by the fusion of the polar nuclei with the sperm, a special fusion nucleus, fusion tissue is produced that is called endosperm, which is the food for embryo during the process of germination. I teach it again that the fusion of one sperm with one egg produces zygote, which is the future plant inside the seed, and the fusion of the one sperm, which is another left after the other sperm which has combined with the egg to produce zygote. When another sperm combines with the two polar nuclei present in the central cell of the embryo sac, a triploid tissue is produced which is called endosperm tissue. It serves the supply of the food to the developing embryo during the process of germination. Zygote is diploid in nature because it is a product of the fusion of two haploid cells, one haploid sperm and one haploid egg. Endosperm is triploid. It consists of three sets of chromosome. N means set and 3 means three sets of chromosome endosperm consist of, because it is a product of the fusion of one sperm which is haploid and two polar nuclei which are also haploid each. So a triploid results, which is endosperm. Double fertilization has also found in non-flowering plant related to the order Nettles. These are the plants. This is an order of the plants which are not producing flowers, which do not produce flowers. Double fertilization has also found in Nettles, but the morphology and the developmental stages are different.